It doesn't take a big man to fit into God's army band. You don't have to be a wealthy millionaire. God's not looking for someone who many mighty works have done. He just wants a man who'll trust and lean on Him. Because it's not what you see that makes a man in God's army. It's not his armor or machinery, but it's the power from on high that gives me strength to stand and fight. And I'm so glad I can say that I am a soldier today. It's not human strength we need to fight the principalities. We should never trust in weapons made by man, but my God in whom I trust, the one who made us from the dust, supplies us with the power and strength